How can you save some money shopping? Maybe you need to get some coupons. Maybe you need to go to a grocery store that's a little cheaper until you can get your money up so you're able to get some better quality food. Because I know, because I've been there, paying for food at Walmart or paying for food at these little grocery stores where the eggs are powdered or like you don't want to eat that stuff all the time. You see what I'm saying? So this is why you want to work on getting out of this situation so you can start saving some money and get some better groceries in this scenario. But let's just say for this case, you're able to cut the gas and the groceries down, and you're able to take everything down by $100, and I brought that to 200. So now you're able to add another $100 there. Your phone bill. What I learned about the phone bill is that these companies tend to have different programs that a lot of people may or may not know about. They may send in an email, they may send it in the mail, and most people just throw the mail away when it could be a different deal. I'll use an example. When I called AT&T, I went AT&T, and my bill was like $250, right? And I said, hey, is there a way that I could save money on this bill? What is going on? And they're like, yeah, sure. We have this different program, and it's still going to give you unlimited data and still unlimited talk and text, and you have to pay some fees for international, but that's cool. But we can give you that plan, and it's going to cut my bill by $40. So now my phone bill, or let's use it in this case, is $60. My phone bill actually went down $50. So in this case, you can talk to the phone company and see what deals they're having. And if they don't have any deals, then shop around for different phone companies that's going to save you some money.